Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdome Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to lockpick. Firstly, let's go to any chest you would like to lockpick. Make sure that you've got lockpicks in your inventory. Next, press and hold E button next to the lockpick. Hold the lockpick in the right position and then press and hold D button to lockpick. The right position is indicated by switched color of the cursor. You have to follow the cursor with lockpicking. And that's basically it. Just make sure that the cursor is in the same place you set it while rotating the wheel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.